Hello, this is Ameer Sharaira from Key Realty. Today we are standing at my newest listing at 135 Mackenzie Drive. This gorgeous home features 5 bedrooms and full basement. Let's take a look. Inside you will find over 3,200 square feet of living space. The layout includes an open concept kitchen, a cozy family room with a fireplace, and a spacious dining area, perfect for gatherings and everyday living. The finished basement adds even more space, ideal for a home theater, gym, or an additional living area. Step outside to a private backyard with plenty of space to relax or entertain. The home also includes a 2-car garage and a beautiful maintained landscaping. This home combines space, location, and lifestyle, all within the Pickerington School District. Schedule your private tour today and come see what makes 135 Mackenzie Drive the perfect place to call home. If you want to schedule a tour, please contact me at 614-929-9412. See you.